Yummy chicken bread rolls. So crispy and delicious. Let's make 2 tablespoons oil and piyaz. Cooked well. 1 tablespoon maida. Cooked well. 1 bowl boiled shredded chicken. Mix well. Half teaspoon namak. Half teaspoon chicken powder. Half teaspoon kudi lal mirch. Half teaspoon PC kali mirkan. Half teaspoon garam masala. 1 pinch PC lal mirkan. Add spices in it. Mix well. Half bowl chicken stock. Cooked well. Add some cheese. Mix well. Half Shimla mirch. Mix well. Take it out. Batter is ready. Half teaspoon oregano. Mix well. Make slurry. 2 tablespoon corn flour. 2 tablespoon maida. 1 pinch kali mirkan. Salt as per taste. Mix it. Add some water. Mix well. Thick consistency. Slurry is ready. Breadcrumbs. Cut slices corner. Rolling it. Spread some water in corners. Fill with batter. Roll it. Set its corners. Dip into slurry. Coated with breadcrumbs. Bread roll. Dip another one in slurry. Coated with breadcrumbs. Yummy bread rolls. All bread rolls are ready. Let's fry it. Fry it on low flame. Change its sides. Shallow fry. Crispy chicken cheese bread rolls. So crispy and yummy. Subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.